Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to remove suggested for you on Messenger using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Messenger app. Then now click on the three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on phone contacts and click on manage contacts. So now here you can see the delete all contacts option at the lower part of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that. Okay. And now all of your imported contacts are being deleted. So now once you've done that, you want to just go ahead and log out your account and log in it again. And that's it. That is how you remove suggested for you on Messenger. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.